If you're into outdoor exploration and car camping, you've got to see the Dometic TRT 140 inflatable rooftop tent. You heard that right, inflatable. The Dometic TRT 140 Air is your home away from home, perched on your vehicle's rooftop, providing you with the best seat in the house. One of the standout features of the TRT 140 Air is its ultra simple setup. Thanks to its inflatable technology, you can have your tent ready within minutes. No more struggling with poles or complicated instructions. With enough room to comfortably sleep 2 people, it's perfect for couples and friends, or even a small family. Plus, the panoramic windows provide stunning views while maintaining privacy. And the sleeping area is comfortable, guaranteeing a good night's sleep after a day filled with adventure. It's crafted from premium materials that can withstand rain, wind, and harsh sunlight. And when you're ready to hit the road again, packing it up is just as easy as the setup. And what sets this tent apart, it's the smallest option on the market in the closed position. Whether you're embarking on a solo journey, a romantic getaway, or a fun trip with friends, this tent ensures you're always camping in style.